Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now this might not be the very first video that I've posted, but this is going to be the very first video that I'm going to be posting about my series. Yes, I'm turning this YouTube channel into a series where I post about my personal growth, discipline, and how I improve myself and do a lot of stuff in this gap year. So I'm going to be naming my series the Gap Year Experiment because I'm taking this year gap to actually for the exam, but I want to improve myself in other field as well, because maybe focusing on the exam is right for now, but I would need the skills while I grow up after 18 or when I turn 20. I'm gonna need the skills anyway, so I am trying to be a better version of myself that will be useful for myself in the upcoming years of my adulthood. So what I'm gonna do is I am gonna study for this exam solely along with learning skills, posting it out on YouTube. I'm gonna try to make 1 lakh rupees at the end of this year. Yes, you heard me right. Now I might not achieve this, but at least I'm gonna try. I'm gonna find ways. I'm gonna fail, that is for sure. I'm gonna have a lot of fail attempts, but I think that is what counts, and that is the whole journey that I'm gonna record and post it on YouTube. Because if you are also a teenager like me, 17-year-old, and you don't know what you're doing, so I'm the same as you. I have not figured out anything. I am still starting, and right now I'm at zero, literally zero. I have no idea in anything, no idea in anything, how to get your channel monetized, what content should I post, what is finance, what is everything, no idea, no skills. So that is what I'm working on, and if I fail, it's okay, at least I'm trying. So if you are also a 17-year-old, just hop on with me because we're still figuring it out, and I think that's okay. I feel like so what I'm gonna do, like I said, I'm gonna post on what skills I've learned today, whatever I have done the whole day, the skills I've learned that particular day. I'm gonna say it out loud, give you guys the whole brief about what I'm doing, what I'm gonna do, and what I've achieved. And if I've not achieved anything, I'm gonna still post on that day, because let's be clear that and be honest that every day I don't think it's achievable to do everything, but I'm gonna try my best and put it out. Now why do I put it out? Because what if I just speak it out to myself that I'm gonna improve, I'm gonna do discipline to myself and learn a lot of skills, and I do it, and after 3 days I just quit. No one is there to criticize, no one is there to judge me, because I started it, I quit it, nobody cares. But when I put it out there in the internet, then there is this 4 people judging me, right? Then I cannot quit silently. I know I have said these things out determined along with a smiley face in the internet, but now I'm just leaving it. People are gonna see and judge me. I have something that I've put it out, right? So for that, I am documenting it here, and I'm trying to get my YouTube channel monetized as well, because I think not even most, at least I guess 10% of the income that I think that I'm gonna achieve from this YouTube may be a lot, and my initial goal for earning 1 lakh rupees, so I think that's gonna help in there. But yeah, it's like a whole raw documentation of myself, because what if in the future I've achieved something greater, not what if but actually, and then I look back and this is the very first video that I see and stumble upon and be like, oh yeah, this was the very first step that I took to change myself. And I know I might be fumbling and not speaking out confidently in front of the camera right now, but I'm just learning. I'm gonna learn speaking, communication skills, and everything each and every day. This 365 days are not less for me. I'm gonna work on myself, be disciplined. That is what I'm promising right now. I know there are going to be many days where I don't do anything, but I'm still going to document it and still going to try to be the best version of myself at the end of the year. And this is all it is about. So I hope you enjoy watching my documentation, and yeah, it's going to be all raw. I am not some guru here, perfect productivity, aesthetic video maker, or waking up at 5 a.m. and trying to be productive. I'm just trying to be real. I'm just trying to be me. I'm just trying to be honest. And that's all. Thank you.